Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, the Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video guys, I'm going to teach you how to copy your order number on 1688 without any stress, okay? But before we get to the practical started guys, if you are very new to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell icon so whenever I upload content about importation, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you would like to join my premium class where I coach you step by step on how you can be a self-independent importer, that is importation you do without using any agent, feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. And also, if you would like me to procure your link on 1688, Tahoba or Pinduoduo, feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen. Let us talk about the business, and I hope to hear from you guys if you have interest in one of my services. Okay, so let's get to the practical started. So the first thing you need to do is to log in into your 1688 profile. You can get this thing done by using your 1688 app or using your, sorry for the interruption, by using your 1688 app or using your or access your 1688 via Google Chrome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to access my 1688 on my Google Chrome right here on app right here. This is my 1688 app. So I'm going to click on it right away. So when you open up your 1688 app, this is how it's going to look like, okay? So the next thing you have to do is to access your profile right here. You can see it here. So I'm going to click on it right now. So it's going to load up this way. Now, for you to know your order number, you must, sorry for the, so now for you to know your order number, you must place an order. You must have placed order and make payment to your supplier. So all you have to do is that when you place order and your goods is on transit, the goods is going to move here. So from this point here, this is where you copy your order number, okay? So I'm going to click on it right away. So the order you have made payment for is going to open up like this, okay? Now let's say I want to copy this particular order number, this one here. So all you have to do is to click on the product link right here. So I'm going to click on it right now. So when you click on product link, you have to scroll up and you scroll up. So this is the goods on transit. This goods is already on transit to the supplier, to the shipping company. Now for you to copy your order number, all you have to do is to click on this this bar, this place here. So I'm going to click on it right now. You can see the order number has been copied. So from all the number here, please file as your order number. So immediately you make a payment for your order, the supplier is going to generate order number, and this is where you copy the order number and send it to whoever is asking of your order number. And this is how you know your order number on 1688. Either you use your 1688 app or you use you access your 1688 profile using Google Chrome. So whichever way, this is how you are supposed to do it without any stress or without any mistakes. And I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you enjoyed this video, give the big video a big thumbs up. And also, if you have any question for me as far as importation business is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. And lastly but not the least, if you would like to join my premium class on procurement and shipping, feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. And also, if you want me to procure your link from 1688, Tahoba or Pinduoduo, kindly reach me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.